Good day! Welcome to Kele Home Trading Ortigas. We promote and provide modular kitchens and cabinets for new houses and renovations. Now, we will introduce and highly recommend our product, modern and classical kitchen.
For our materials, we have here the high-density fiber board for the doors, and for the carcass, we have the marine plywood, which is coated by PVC plastic. And then we have here also the countertop, which is quartz stone. Quartz stone is non-stain, non-porous, scratch-proof, and heat resistance. You can come and visit us at the Ortigas MC Home Depot.